My name is Carol Spear, and I live in Village of Flowers Mill. This is an over 55 community, and I was looking for activities. I was active in petitioning the board to build pickleball courts, and now we have over 120 people signed up for pickleball. I do enjoy it. I come out of tennis. I have a tennis background, and I like tennis, but playing tennis on hard courts 7 days a week is a lot on the body, especially as you age. Pickleball has a smaller court. It's less offensive to the body. I have a lot of use of my body. I have a lot of dance background. I used my body a lot, and my knee was shot. So it was important for me to get that back. And so that led me to Rothman. My surgery was a full knee replacement. I wanted that. I didn't want a partial, and I didn't want just the clean out. Rothman Orthopedics is a collection of doctors that specialize in what they do. Do you want to go to a doctor who does 3 knee operations a year, or do you want to go to somebody who does 150? They did a terrific job of getting me ready for the operation. We chose a date far in advance because I wanted the recovery period to be through the winter so that I'd be ready for spring and summer enjoyment. I'm tickled pink that I'm out there doing what I'm doing. I'm 76 years old. What more can I ask for? Rothman specializes in knees, so I can specialize in pickleball.